Vegetables for keto. What to include, what to avoid, and more. The keto diet is a low-carb eating plan designed to put a person into a state of ketosis. Although fruits contain natural sugars, some can be part of a keto meal plan. A typical keto diet strictly regulates calorie intake for each of the three macronutrients, or macros: fats, protein, and carbs. Here are typical recommended calorie percentages for each macro on a keto diet. 55 to 60% of calories should come from healthy fats. 30 to 35% of calories should come from protein. 5 to 10% of calories should come from natural carbohydrates. The keto diet limits the foods a person can eat, including fruit, due to their carb count. While people following this diet may think it is best to exclude all fruits, some fit the keto dietary plan in moderation. This video narrows down which fruits a person can eat on a keto diet. Fruits contain natural sugars that add to a person's daily carbohydrate intake. People can eat some fruits on the keto diet. However, a person needs to be careful of the type and amount they consume to stay within their allotted macros. The number of carbs from fruit and other sources should not exceed the daily limit for a keto diet. People consume this diet to put their bodies into a state of ketosis, where the body burns more fat. While there is no carb intake guideline for all people following the keto diet, the Harvard School of Public Health states most people should try to keep their total carbs under 50 grams g per day. Some people may even limit their intake to 20 grams per day. Not all fruits contain the same amount of carbs and fiber. Those higher in sugars and lower in fiber are generally not well suited to a keto diet, although they are a healthful addition to most other diets with a less restricted carb intake. Fruits lower in sugars and higher in fiber may be suitable on a keto diet, but a person should eat them in moderation. Fiber is an important factor in the keto diet. A person's body cannot digest this substance. Therefore, to calculate the carbs eaten from food containing fiber, subtract the carbs from fiber from the total amount of carbs in the food. This would give the net carb count of the food, which is important to note for those counting carbs. However, a person following a keto diet to manage a medical condition, such as epilepsy, should limit their total carbs to under 20 grams. Fruits high in fiber are generally lower in net carbs and are suitable on a keto diet. The following fruits are generally considered keto-friendly. Avocado. Avocados belong in the fruit family, they are not vegetables. An average avocado of 150 grams contains about 12.8 grams of carbs and 10 grams of fiber. The amount of fiber in avocado means it has only around 2.8 grams of net carbs. This fruit also provides a good portion of healthful fat and several necessary vitamins and minerals. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a fruit, though many people use them in savory dishes and sauces. They are also keto-friendly, with about 4.8 grams of carbs and 1.5 grams of fiber in a whole tomato weighing 125 grams. This means they each typically contain 3.3 grams of net carbs. The exact amount of carbs in tomatoes will vary based on their size and type. In general, a small serving should allow a person to enjoy them without breaking their keto diet. Lemons. Lemons add a citrus flavor to meats, poultry, fish, and drinks. They are also acceptable on the keto diet, with an average-sized lemon containing about 6 grams carbs and 1.8 grams of fiber, accounting for around 4.2 grams of net carbs. Lemons are also high in vitamin C. Strawberries. Strawberries are relatively low in carbs and can provide necessary vitamins, such as vitamin C and A. In a 2/3 cup serving of 100 grams, strawberries contain 7.6 grams of carbs and 1.8 grams of fiber, which comprise 5.8 grams of net carbs. Blackberries. Blackberries provide about 14.4 grams of carbs and 7.95 grams of fiber in a 150 gram serving, comprising around 6.4 grams of net carbs. Blackberries also contain a variety of vitamins and minerals, including vitamins C, K, and A. Raspberries. Raspberries contain about 14.7 grams of carbs and 8 grams of fiber in a 123 gram serving, accounting for 6.7 grams of net carbs. They also contain vitamin C and manganese, as well as antioxidants, making them a healthful addition to a keto diet. Plum. A whole plum of 75 grams contains 8.5 grams of carbs and about 1 gram of fiber, providing net carbs of 7.5 grams. They also contain several key nutrients, including phosphorus and potassium. Kiwi fruit. A person on a keto diet may only want to eat kiwi fruit on rare occasions. A kiwi fruit of 75 grams contains about 10.5 grams of carbs and 2.25 grams of fiber, bringing its net carbs to around 8.25 grams. Because kiwi fruit is higher in net carbs than other fruits on this list, a person eating it may wish to monitor their carb intake throughout the day when trying to maintain ketosis. Blueberries. Like kiwi fruits, blueberries are higher than many options on this list when it comes to total carb count. In a 1/2 cup serving, a person will consume about 10.9 grams of carbs and 1.8 grams of fiber, taking in 9.1 grams of net carbs. Not all fruits are suitable for people following a keto diet. A person should restrict or eliminate the following fruits from their diet when limiting their carb intake. Though the fruits in this table may not be suitable for a keto diet, they are healthful and nutritious. A person can still benefit from including these fruits in many other diets that are less restrictive in carbs. People following a keto diet can still enjoy some fruit in moderation. Fruits offer essential nutrients, such as vitamins and minerals, which are an important part of a person's diet. Avoid eating large quantities of any fruit to achieve or maintain ketosis. Those interested in the keto diet should talk with the doctor or nutritionist before starting this program, particularly if they have any chronic health conditions.